Hey, boys and girls, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we're gonna be driving. My brother is gonna be driving the Kawasaki FX50 that we pretty much called deleted and made it go faster. So he's gonna drive this on the track. He's gonna get everything on, get everything ready. I'm gonna be driving my dirt bike. It's buried in this mess I'm trying to clean up, but we got it right here. And this thing, we are. So stay tuned. Hopefully in a little, probably after a couple more videos, we're gonna have black rims. These tires are gonna be for ice, so I probably told you that already, but it's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. And then hopefully I could paint this black because it's getting rusty and down here is. So got a ton of scuff marks from falling, but I haven't felt that bad that this thing would not work. But this thing is awesome. So we're gonna get this thing out on the track and we'll meet you guys down there. Look at him ripping down there. It's been a while if you guys been on the track with us. We kind of had did some different stuff here. All right, do the track. Let's go. Let's see what he does. Hit this big one. Yeah. Lap I've done yet. So we're probably gonna go up and try to get the dirt bike running. Yeah?
Put some gas in it.
Yeah, let's do it. Alright, so we're trying to figure out why Ryland's dirt bike isn't starting right. It's like taking 10 minutes, 15 minutes to get that thing started. And it's been dripping oil all over, so we're gonna spray it off with the generator here. Pretty dirty. We're gonna check the spark plug, clean all this off, add some oil, gas, and then the air box is right here, or right here. So we're gonna check that, and hopefully it could get running straight, I should say. It's hard to just run. I'll show you guys what it sounds like. But it runs. Sounds like that. See that? So we're gonna get this thing outside and get it pressure washing. Let's do it. And you can see I cleaned up pretty much all of that oil. That's all built up. But we're gonna get this dried off and bring it back in the shop. Alright, we got it back in the garage. Got it mostly dried off already. We're gonna be taking this off. See here. Okay, so this I think is supposed to go around this. Let's get a wrench. See if this is dirty. Oh yeah. Okay, that is a spark plug. That is one dirty spark plug. I don't want to take it out because it's all greasy, but look at that difference. So, we're gonna put this new one on here. Alright, so we're gonna, got it here. See if I can get in here. Take it out. I might actually need my small one. That might not even work. I don't know, I need to figure out how to get in here first. Okay, so you guys are probably like, oh my gosh, that's probably why. I got it out. And there's dirt and weeds and it's half broken. And the box is like dirty than dirty. Oh my gosh. As much as we can. Alright, so I cleaned this, washed it, and got the box all cleaned up. We're gonna, didn't need a new one, my dad said. So we're just gonna put this back on, I guess. And see you guys when we get everything back on. Alright, so the spark plug that I just took out of the package is a wrong one, but my dad cleaned the other one, put it on, and everything is working right now. It looks like I have exhaust leak right here because it's smoking, but it's one kick now. Oh. So we're gonna, the brakes are really squealy and tight, so I'm gonna put some WD-40 on that, air up the tires, and it should be good to rip. So catch you guys when we get the WD-40. We're gonna spray this all over his lines. And get it in his front brake. And that's pretty much all you need. If this is getting looser and squeakier, tighter and squeakier, put some WD-40 or loosening stuff on it. And it should do the trick. So, thank you guys for following along for this video, and next video, hopefully, we're gonna have all these up top here, and we'll be riding together with Nolan in the four-wheeler, and be a fun time. So thank you guys for watching, and that's how I got it starting. So thank you guys for watching, and see you guys next time.